as we have discussed before. The first stage of DNA formation is to combine one molecule of phosphoric acid, one molecule of deoxyribose, and one of the 4 bases to form an acidic nucleotide. For separate nucleotides are formed in this way. One for each of the 4 bases, which are deoxyadenilic, deoxythymidilic, deoxyguanilic, and deoxycytidilic acids. Nucleotides are organized to form 2 strands of DNA loosely bound to each other. The 2 strands are, in turn, loosely bonded with each other by weak cross-linkages. Let us study these cross-linkages as well. There are 2 types of cross-linkages: adenine and thymine linkage, guanine and cytosine linkage. Here is the structure of adenine. Adenine is a purine, so here is a purine ring and there will be ammonia attached on one side. Adenine is supposed to bond with thymine, so let us look at its structure as well. Here is the pyrimidine ring and there is a methyl group and 2 oxygens attached. Now adenine and thymine make 2 cross-linkages with each other. At these 2 points. Now same is the case with guanine and cytosine. Here is the structure of guanine. Guanine is a purine, so here is a purine ring and there will be ammonia and oxygen attached on the sides. Guanine is supposed to bond with cytosine, so let us look at its structure as well. Here is the pyrimidine ring and there is a methyl group and oxygen attached. Now guanine and cytosine make 3 cross-linkages with each other. At these 3 points. Note that the backbone of each DNA strand is composed of alternating phosphoric acid and deoxyribose molecules. In turn, purine and pyrimidine bases are attached to the sides of the deoxyribose molecules. Then, by means of loose hydrogen bonds between the purine and pyrimidine bases, the 2 respective DNA strands are held together. Because of the looseness of the hydrogen bonds, the 2 strands can pull apart with ease, and they do so many times during the course of their function in the cell. An important point to remember is that 10 pairs of nucleotides are present in each full turn of the helix in the DNA molecule. This was all about the nucleotides. Next up is the genetic code. So, stick around.
Explore our extensive library of over 1,800 video lectures to learn about a wide range of topics. Only on sqadia.com.